Hello students, welcome to Eganeet. Today we are dealing with class 8, chapter 8, exercise 8.3, problem number 8. Let us read the problem. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 1.5 year at 10% per annum compounded half yearly. Okay, what we have to do? We have to find the compound interest on rupees 10,000 where the amount means principal, the interest is compounded half yearly on the principal. Would this interest be more than the interest he would get if it was compounded annually? So we have to find out the amount or the interest when compounded annually also. Let us find out the solution for this problem. What is given? Given that the principal amount is rupees 10,000. Given that the principal amount is rupees 10,000. Okay. Then rate of interest per year is given 10%. So for half year it is 5%. Then time period or number of period is given 1.5 year, which is equal to 3.5 years as the compound interest is compounded half yearly on the principal. So we have to convert number of years into number of half years. So n will become equal to 3 then. Okay. What we have to find out? We have to find the amount and the interest after 1.5 year. Okay. To solve this problem, let me give you a hint. My hint is we have to use the compound interest formula for amount, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. By substituting values, we will get amount is equal to principal is 10,000 into 1 plus R is 5 upon 100 to the power 3. So this is equal to 10,000 into this is 100 plus 5, that is 105 upon 100. 3 times 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100 as it is 3 times. So just by cancelling this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is 20 and this is 21. So by solving this, we will get the value of A will become equal to 11,576.25 rupees. So what was this? This is the amount on 10,000 rupees when compounded half yearly for 1.5 year. Okay. So we got amount. Right. Now let us find out the compound interest. Compound interest is amount minus principal. As we know, this is 11,576.25 minus 10,000. So automatically the compound interest is 1,076.25 rupees when, okay, so compound interest is this, fine, when compounded half yearly, right? Now we got the amount when compounded when the principal is compounded half yearly, we got the compound interest. Okay, so we solved the problem till this. Now the next part of the problem. They ask, would this interest be more than the interest he would get if it was compounded annually. So we have to find out when the principal is compounded annually, we have to find out the compound interest when the principal is compounded annually for 1.5 years at the rate of 10%. Isn't it? So when compounded half yearly, we got this. So for annually, let us find out when it compounded half yearly, the amount for 1 year and 6 months can be calculated by first calculating the compound interest for 1 year and then taking that amount as a principal, and we have to calculate the simple interest for next half year, okay, or 6 months you can say. So how we are going to do this? For that we are going to use again this formula. When principal amount is 10,000, of course this rate is 10% and the value of this n is 1. We are calculating it for 1 year first. Okay, let us find out the amount. Okay, how we will find out the amount? The amount will become equal to 10,000 for 1 year, of course we are calculating, into 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to 1, which is equal to 110 upon 100. Okay, so I will just cancel this. This is equal to 11,000. So what is this? This is the amount after 1 year. This is the amount after 1 year when the 10,000, that principal, is compounded annually. We have to calculate again for 6 months, the interest for 6 months. How we are going to calculate it? We will apply the formula of simple interest. Let us see how we are going to do it. Just now we had seen that how it is 11,000. Considering this as a principal, okay, considering this 11,000 as a principal for next half year with the rate 10%, we will calculate simple interest. Okay, how we will calculate it? Let us calculate by using the formula for simple interest. What is the formula for simple interest? It is PRT upon 100. By substituting values here, P we have to take 11,000. Okay, our rate of interest is 10% and T, time period is 6 months, that is half year, and divided by 100. How much this will become equal to? This is 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. This is 2 cancel, and this is 110 into 5, which is equal to 550 rupees. What is this? This is the interest for next 6 months. Fine. This is the interest for next 6 months. Now, as we know that the amount for 1 year is 11,000. So how we will find out? Let us find out the interest for first year. It is equal to 11,000 minus 10,000, which is equal to 1,000 rupees. And just now we have calculated that the interest for next half year is 550. So the total interest is 1,000 plus 550, which is equal to 1,550. So when compounded annually, the compound interest is equal to rupees 1,550. When compounded half yearly, we had seen that the compound interest is 1,576.25. Now from these two, we can see clearly that the compound interest when calculated half yearly is more than the compound interest when calculated annually. Okay, so thus we got the answer for second part of the question also. So you got the answer easily, right? So to get easy solutions of such difficult question, please subscribe, like and share our app Eganeet.